Windows play a vital role in your home's comfort, energy efficiency, and appearance. Over time, however, they can wear down, letting drafts in, raising utility bills, or making your home look outdated. If you're a homeowner in Scott and wondering whether it's time for a window upgrade, here are the top signs that indicate you should schedule a professional window installation soon. Rising energy bills. One of the most common indicators that your windows need replacement is a sudden or steady increase in your heating and cooling costs. As windows age, the seals can break down, allowing conditioned air to escape and outdoor air to enter. This forces your HVAC system to work harder to maintain a comfortable indoor temperature. If you've noticed that your energy bills are higher than usual, even after routine maintenance, it might be due to inefficient windows. Modern window installations in Scott come with energy-efficient features such as low-E coatings and double-pane glass that significantly reduce heat transfer. Drafts and temperature fluctuations. Have you ever felt a breeze even when your windows are closed? Drafty windows are a clear sign that their seals or frames are compromised. During Scott's colder months, these drafts can make certain rooms feel chilly and uncomfortable, while in the summer, they can let in unwanted heat. New window installations not only eliminate these drafts but also create a consistent indoor temperature throughout your home. Properly sealed, insulated windows help maintain a balanced climate without overworking your heating or cooling system. Difficulty opening or closing windows. If your windows have become difficult to open, close, or lock, it's more than a minor inconvenience. It could be a safety issue. Over time, frames can warp due to exposure to humidity, heat, or water damage. Old hardware can also rust or break, making the windows nearly impossible to operate smoothly. Newly installed windows are designed for ease of use, security, and ventilation. Whether you choose sliding, casement, or double-hung styles, modern window systems glide effortlessly and provide peace of mind with advanced locking mechanisms. Condensation between the glass panes. If you notice moisture or fog between your window panes, it means the seal has failed. When this happens, the insulating gas, like argon, that keeps your window's energy efficient escapes, and your window can no longer perform as intended. This not only affects your home's insulation but also leads to unsightly streaks and permanent fogging that blocks your view. A new window installation will restore clarity and efficiency, preventing future condensation issues. Noticeable exterior or interior damage. Cracked glass, decaying wood frames, and peeling paint are more than cosmetic issues, they're warning signs of deeper problems. Damaged frames can let in moisture, leading to rot, mold, or even structural issues over time. Scott homeowners often deal with humidity and seasonal weather changes that can accelerate window deterioration. Replacing damaged windows promptly can prevent expensive repairs later and enhance your home's curb appeal. Outdated appearance. Even if your current windows are functioning, their design might be dragging down your home's aesthetic. Modern window installation in Scott can completely transform your property's look. From sleek vinyl frames to stylish bay or bow windows, today's designs blend beauty with performance. New windows can also increase your home's resale value, making it more attractive to potential buyers who appreciate modern, energy-efficient features. Excessive outside noise. If outside traffic or neighborhood noise seems louder than before, your windows may no longer be providing adequate sound insulation. Upgrading to modern, multi-pane windows can significantly reduce noise levels, helping you enjoy a quieter and more peaceful home environment. Schedule professional window installation in Scott. Your home's windows should provide comfort, protection, and efficiency year-round. If you're noticing any of these warning signs, it's time to schedule a professional window installation. New windows not only improve energy savings and functionality but also elevate your home's beauty and value. Don't wait until small problems become costly repairs. Contact your local window experts in Scott today to explore your installation options and bring renewed comfort and style to your home.